Alright, let's get right into it. Today I'm showing you how to change the brake pads on your own, using a super popular car here in the States, the Honda Accord. First things first, safety. Park on a flat surface, put the car in park with the emergency brake on, and always use jack stands, not just a jack. Trust me, you don't want any accidents here. Now pop your hood and loosen the lug nuts on the wheel you're working on. Don't fully remove them yet. Jack the car up, set your jack stand, then finish taking the wheel off. Next, look at the brake caliper. It's the big metal thing hugging your rotor. You'll need a socket wrench to remove the bolts holding it on. Once it's loose, gently slide it off and don't let it dangle by the brake line. Rest it on something sturdy, like an old box. Slide out the old brake pads. If they're super thin, you did this just in time. Now grab your new pads and pop them in where the old ones sat. Before you put the caliper back on, use a C-clamp to gently push the piston back into the caliper. This gives your new pads room to fit. Bolt the caliper back on, double-check everything's tight, then slap your wheel back on and lower the car. Tighten those lug nuts in a star pattern. Finally, pump your brake pedal a few times before you drive. This sets the pads. And that's it. You just saved serious cash and kept your ride safe. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more wrenching tips.